In this video, I'll be showing you how to hold the crochet hook, the yarn, and pulling them together to create a foundation chain, which is the start of all your crochet work. So put the kettle on, get comfortable because things are gonna get a little bit fiddly before they get fun. I recommend choosing a bright double knit yarn as a beginner. I've got a cotton blend from Hobbycraft here, which is nice and smooth, so you'll easily be able to see the stitches. On the back you can see the recommended hook size, which is 5mm. See the link in the description box below if you'd like some help on which hooks to choose as a beginner, and a link on where to buy these rubber handled hooks. Now let's see the two most common ways of holding a crochet hook using your dominant hand. For me this is my right, but if you're a lefty, please use your left hand. The first way is called the writing grip. Using your index finger and thumb, pick up the hook as if you're about to write with it. The hook rest should be between those two fingers and the end of the hook above your hand. The second way is called the overhand grip. Again, using your index finger and thumb, pick up the hook, but this time with the end of it inside your palm. Try both ways and see which feels most comfortable. Let's look at ways of holding the yarn. The first is to wrap the end of working yarn over, under and over again your pinky finger, behind the back of the middle fingers and around your index, so that when you pull through you can easily see that the yarn moves nicely. Now let's do that again. Take the end of the working yarn, pull it over your pinky finger, under, over again, behind the middle fingers and around your index. So when you pull through, you can see it's nice and smooth. If you feel that you need more tension, wrap it over, under and over your pinky finger. Then you'll want to wrap it over your middle finger and around your index. This will add some more tension if you feel that your stitches are a little bit loose. One more time. Wrap it over, under and over your pinky finger, over your middle, then around your index finger. So when you pull through, it's nice and smooth. The method that I use is actually just to wrap it directly around the index finger only, because I've gotten used to controlling my tension. Then the middle finger and the thumb are free to hold the work, which we'll get to next. This part may seem a bit fiddly, so watch through once before trying yourself. Start by creating a loop using the end of your yarn. Take your crochet hook and insert it into that loop. Now wrap the yarn around your fingers how you find comfortable. Take your index finger and thumb to hold the end, which is going to be your working crochet. Here you can see that the loop created is large enough to move the hook through freely. Move it through, yarn over, rotate the hook so it's facing down, then pull the working yarn through. One more time, yarn over, twist the hook so it's facing down, pull through. Oops, yarn over, twist the hook so it's facing down, pull the working yarn through. Here you can see that my index finger and thumb is moving up to meet the top of the chain. This is what helps keep the tension nice and even. Let's do a few more to get good practice. Yarn over, rotate the hook so it's facing down, pull through. This may seem really fiddly at the beginning because you're balancing several things, but don't worry, you'll get there. Just stay patient, enjoy, and have fun. So let's stop and look at our chains. They're looking okay, pretty consistent. It's good to remember that at this point you want them to be not too tight because you'll be working into them later on. Or you can stop here and have a nice cute friendship bracelet. The great thing about crochet is if it's not looking so great, you can just unravel it. Hey, well done you for starting your crochet journey. I'd love to see how you're getting along. Feel free to DM me or tag me in your pictures on Instagram at hey_Florencia, or leave a comment below. Keep me posted. And I hope to see you in the next video where we'll be learning the basic crochet stitches. Stay safe and take care. Until next time. Bye!